Hello students, let's start with this is a model answer, okay, solution for round 2, okay, this is round 2, Now, let's start with the first question. Solve the following question. You have to solve the following question. First question is, what is mean by vinegar and gasol? You already know vinegar and gasol. You know it? Yes. You know what is mean by vinegar and gasol. The vinegar is 5 to 8% aqueous solution of ethanoic acid, that is acetic acid. You already know that is called as vinegar. 5 to 8% that you use. That is very important. It used for the preservatives in the various pickles, jams, okay, and ketchups. Okay, and ethanol is mixed with the petrol. So in the foreign countries, what we do is we add the petrol with the ethanol, and then we call as the mixture called as gasol. Gasol is very important in the foreign countries. It is already used, but in India it is not possible. You might have here. Nitin Gadkari has started the things where we started a green bus, but it is absolutely fail actually, because the temperature of Nagpur is not suitable for the alcohol, because it is it is vaporizing. It may cause the fire and all. So the vinegar and gasol, vinegar is absolutely you use for the kitchen. That is what the acetic acid, and gasol is a mixture of petrol and what? The alcohol. So benzene is an aromatic hydrocarbon. Aroma means a smell. The benzene is aromatic hydrocarbon, of course. The closed chain compound are called as aromatic hydrocarbons. So of course, the benzene is a aromatic hydrocarbon. It gives the pleasant smell. Believe my dear student, it gives the good kind of smell like phenol, benzene, Lysol, synthol, Dettol. These are the smelling hydrocarbon, like aromatic. Aroma means smell. It is true. Saturated fats are healthy. Saturated means those who having saturated fat means like oil that we eat. It is absolutely not healthy. So it is a statement is false. So saturated fats are harmful to the health, that we should avoid. General formula for alkane that we know, CnH2n plus 2. It is very simple. So that we already know. Now, the next is definition of catenation. What is catenation? Catenation is what? Catenation is what? It is a property of direct bonding between the atom of same element. It is called as catenation. You know, my dear student, the carbon having property of tendency of connecting with the adjacent bond. Carbon can attach with the carbon, again, and it can form a long chain. This is a property of carbon of direct bonding between the atom of same element. Is this man property is called as catenation, and catenation is very important property. It is only available with the carbon. So carbon is available in everywhere, every organism having the carbon. Okay. Now, what is catalyst? Write the reaction using with the catalyst. We have to write the reaction where we use the catalyst. The catalyst is a substance which speed up the chemical reaction. Rate of reaction when we are increasing. So it is because of the catalyst. In hydrogenation of ethene. Hydrogenation means the addition of hydrogen. We use the nickel and platinum as a catalyst. So nickel and platinum, ये दोनों में से कोई भी use करेंगे as a catalyst. So when we add hydrogen here, so double bond is converted to single bond, and ethene is converted to ethane. It is nothing but the addition of hydrogen. So this reaction is called as hydrogenation reaction. In other term, this reaction is addition reaction. Ultimately, this hydrogen atom is attached over here. This reaction is hydrogenation, that is addition reaction. So let's move to the next question. It is very simple question. Saturated hydrocarbons are classified into 3 types. So what are the saturated hydrocarbons? So first is straight chain hydrocarbons. You can use any example, the propane. Branch chain hydrocarbons, isobutane, yes. After that, cyclic hydrocarbons. This is the cyclic hydrocarbons. These are the types of hydrocarbons. So what are the types of hydrocarbons? You can always refer to straight chain hydrocarbon. After that, branch chain and cyclic hydrocarbons. Draw the electron dot structure of following molecules. showing the circle. Electron without showing the circles. So methane, you know, methane having CH4 formula. So one from carbon, one from hydrogen, it is sharing, it is called as covalent bond. So it is shown by the two dot. You can always show by the dot and cross, but it will not make a difference. So you can always show with the dots and dots, the one dot from the hydrogen and one dot from the carbon. It is a electron dot structure. Now, next structure is ethene. Ethene means double bond. Double bond, one bond carry two dots, one bond carry two dots, one bond carry two dots. So you can always draw a structure of ethene and ethene. Ethene is always represent a double bond, and methane, ANE, is represent single bond. So it is what? The electron dot structure. Quickly move to the next question. That is question number 3. Solve the following sub question. In that, the name of three functional group. The important word is functional group. You already know the definition of functional group. Functional groups are the groups of atoms. It may be atom or it may be group of atom. Where it is present, it shows its characteristics property. So you have to show the heteroatoms. Other than what? Other than what? Other than the three functional group containing different atoms other than hydrogen. So alcohol, it contains oxygen, OH group. Amines, it contain NH2, so it is it also contain. This is what the heteroatoms. Heteroatoms means alcohol, amines, or chloro, bromo, iodo. These are the hetero. Hetero means other than hydrogen. You have to remember. Just that is what the functional group. That is what simple. Now, IUPAC name. So IUPAC names are very simple. Here, bromine is attached to the second carbon, so you will get 2 bromobutane. Here, alcohol group is attached to the second carbon to pentane to all. Number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane to all. This is carbon number 1, 1. So one methanoic acid. It is carbon 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Propanamine. Propanamine amines. This is what? C. Propanol. And this is what? 1, 2, 3. Propanol. This is what? 1, 2, 3. Butane. 3, 4. Butane 2, 1. 2, 1 means what? It is attached to the second carbon. So definition of homologous series. Homologous series is very easy. Homologous means continuous. The series of compound formed by joining the same functional group and arranged in an increasing order called as homologous series. You have to explain the homologous series in alkene. So homologous series in alkene, methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. So just increase by CH2 group. Yes, one carbon, add one carbon, add one carbon, add one carbon. Add to hydrogen, add to hydrogen, add to hydrogen, add to hydrogen. This is called as a homologous series of the alcohol, which is differ by the one CH2 group. One CH2 group, 2, 3, 4. So you can always refer the textbook for the same. So this was the one of the easiest paper. I think you must have understood everything. So thank you for your cooperation and kind support. Thank you. Thank you so much.